Good morning, Margot. What are the boys doing? Were they fighting? That's not nice. Typical morning. These are our 3 male goats, and they're doing something called that we like to call goat wars when they play fight. Our little female goat over there, you can kind of see her against the chicken coop. She is much too sensible to engage in goat wars, and the boys try to play with her, but she doesn't want to. Good morning, girls. How are you? How are you? What are the boys doing? This is one of our donkeys. Her name is Liberty. She's the older of the two. Hi, girl. No snacks. And this is our other donkey. Her name is Lulabelle. She is kind of the sour to go with Lulabelle Sweet. She can be a little bratty sometimes, but they're both the sweetest girls. No food. Did you call a truce? Good boys.